So how about snow there on Whistler?
They've had a lot of rain in the lower elevations, but a pretty good sized storm heading their way between 25 and 50 centimeters. That's how they measure it there. That's
right. Thank you.
10 to 20 inches of snow, above 2,000 feet. So good storm for the Olympics. But speaking of snow, we've had a little bit of it ourselves this morning. Looking from Chopper 5, we're looking kind of on the back side of the Wasatch, and now we're looking towards the front side of the Wasatch. Anywhere from 2 to 4 inches falling in the valleys and from in the mountains. Speaking of snow, we have had one humdinger of a weekend. The last several days, big-time snowstorms have pummeled places like New York City. The season snow total, 25.5 inches, is 177% of normal. In Boston, 121% of normal, and both of those locations have seen as much or more snow than Salt Lake City. But Baltimore, 79.9 inches, the most snow ever measured in a season, is 650% of normal. At Dulles Airport in Washington, D.C., 72.8 inches, the most snow they've ever seen, and that's 520% of normal. But not only has the Mid-Atlantic seen the snow, Dallas today picking up over 7 inches. Their season total is now 452% of normal. Oklahoma City, 288% of normal. And the heavy snow continues in that El Nino track across Arizona. Flagstaff, 172% of normal. And because we're too far north in this southern split in the jet stream, here we are, 60% of normal with only 24.7 inches of snow. So Salt Lake City really missing out on the snow this year. It's all going south through Arizona, Texas, and to the Mid-Atlantic. The next storm moving in, this is the one that will produce some snow up at Whistler and around Vancouver for the Olympics, some rain in Seattle and Portland. It's moving inland, and that is going to bring us a slight chance for showers, much like we had today. Probably not as much accumulation of snow. For example, today 1 inch fell in Montpelier, only a trace in Logan, but 3, 4, and 2 inches in Ogden, Bountiful, and Salt Lake City, while St. George was 55. Currently 18 in Vernal, the cold spot in the state, 27 in Price. The eastern valleys, because there's still snow on the ground from about Moab northward up into the basin and over towards the San Rafael Swell and south, you're going to stay cold in those areas with high pressure coming in next week, probably colder than you are right now. You can see this storm system. It is bringing some rain and snow to the Pacific Northwest. Fairly impressive, actually, looking on the radar right now. The track, though, moving up over the top of this ridge of high pressure, will take this little storm. It'll beat the high pressure down and have a hard time getting over the top. But when it does, there will be a slight chance for some rain and snow showers tomorrow with snow in the bench areas, snow in the mountains, but not much in the valleys. The next storm comes up over the top, drops down. There will be a little bit of colder air with it, so late in the day Friday into early Saturday, probably a chance for an inch or two in the benches and an inch or less in the valleys. Tomorrow, more of the cold in Vernal. We'll call for a lot of clouds, no snow in the basin, no snow in Moab, no snow in Price. In the surrounding mountains, you'll see some snow showers. The southwest side of the state, what a beautiful day tomorrow. You've seen all of the snow, all of the storms this year, but now with the northern part of the jet stream hitting Salt Lake City and north, southern Utah will experience some of the nicest weather you've seen all winter long. Highs will be above 60 degrees. Now for the Wasatch Front, light rain and snow showers with the main snow level bench areas up. No accumulation expected in the valleys. Your morning commute, not a problem tomorrow, but you will see some snow Friday night, Saturday morning, even in the valleys. It won't be much. After that, high pressure and low to mid 40s. Unfortunately, I didn't put the haze on there because I try to be an optimist, but the haze will build just a little bit. And it is amazing how we have not seen the snow this year. Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, all setting records.
Crazy weather. Thanks, Dan.
You're welcome.